The average person is exposed to more than 700,000 toxic chemicals a day. Toxins are all around us in our air, water, food, clothing, skincare products, cleaning products, cosmetics, vehicles, furniture, electronics, at our place of work, and in our homes. There are 150 chemicals found in the average home. The majority consist of household cleaners, detergent, personal care products, perfumes, clothing, and plastics. There are 188 different hazardous air pollutants, many of which we can't escape. When studies were done on the blood, an average of 700 chemicals were found in the body that weren't supposed to be there. This is an alarming amount of toxins that put an extreme amount of stress on the body. It's no wonder that we have been called the sickest generation ever, with recent statistics showing 1 out of 2 men and 1 out of 3 women being diagnosed with cancer in their lifetime. Symptoms of toxic buildup in the body include hair loss, brittle nails, bad breath, weight gain, constipation, low energy, skin problems, food intolerances, migraines, mood swings, insomnia, and cancer. Unfortunately, we can't completely eliminate our exposure to these toxins. This is why detoxing the body naturally is something we need to do on a regular basis. Detoxing will help to relieve the toxic load and minimize the stress toxins cause on the body. We can support our body to rid these toxins while minimizing our usage and exposure to them the best we can. Are you ready to live free from an overload of toxins? Let's look at some easy ways we can detox from the constant exposure to toxins in our environment. Drink warm lemon water first thing in the morning. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass and fill with hot water. When drinking warm lemon water first thing in the morning, you will give your body a boost of energy, support your immune system with a healthy dose of vitamin C, encourage the production of digestive enzymes and stomach acid, and most importantly, assist in flushing toxins from the liver. Buy organic or non-GMO foods as often as possible to avoid pesticides. Wash fruits and vegetables by adding 1 cup of vinegar and 3 cups of water to a large bowl. Soak for a few minutes and rinse. This will help get rid of any residue or pesticides they might have. Eat a whole food diet, avoiding processed and refined foods, which contain many hidden toxins in the form of additives and preservatives. Drinking milk thistle tea will help the body get rid of toxins from the liver, gallbladder, pancreas, and the digestive system. Chlorella is great at binding to toxins in the body and helping pull those toxins out without pulling nutrients from the body like most other binders do. This is a very important step in detoxing and one I highly recommend adding to your daily routine to get those toxins out of your body. Water is an easy way to help the body flush toxins. Drink clean, filtered water to avoid toxins commonly found in tap water and bottled water. Exercise promotes the release of toxins and stimulates the flow of the lymphatic system where toxins commonly build up. Aim for 15 to 30 minutes of movement, such as rebounding, stretching, bicycling, or walking. Epsom salt and baking soda baths are a great and relaxing way to detox your body. Add 1 cup of each into a bath and soak for at least 20 minutes up to an hour. Add around 5 drops of lavender oil or any other essential oil you enjoy to the Epsom salt before sprinkling it into your bath water to boost those detox benefits. Dry brushing is an easy thing you can add to your daily routine. This stimulates blood flow and encourages the lymphatic system to move, which commonly gets sluggish and clogged up with toxins. Castor oil packs are a great way to help flush the liver of toxins. Apply castor oil from a glass bottle onto a pack or piece of fabric and place over the liver area. Wear it at night while you sleep to assist the liver in getting rid of toxins. This is when the body is working to repair itself. Use natural cleaning products, detergent, skincare products, and cosmetics to minimize the exposure of toxic products in the home. Baking soda, colloidal silver, and vinegar make great DIY cleaners. Castor oil, aloe vera, honey, coconut oil, and bentonite clay make great DIY skincare products. Find clothing made from natural fibers such as linen, wool, silk, bamboo, hemp, and organic cotton. This will help eliminate the toxins found in synthetic clothing such as solvents, pesticides, and formaldehyde. One last thing we need to discuss: detoxing can cause what is often referred to as herxing or die-off symptoms. This happens because you are encouraging all these toxins that have been stored up in your body to be released at once. Symptoms of die-off can include headaches, flu-like symptoms, brain fog, fatigue, irritability, muscle aches, and nausea. When detoxing the body naturally, drink plenty of water and add the previously suggested tips as you can to minimize or completely avoid these symptoms. I recommend starting with chlorella and castor oil packs. Both are great at helping to pull the toxins out of the body, which keeps them from cycling back through the bloodstream and digestive system. These symptoms are short-term and well worth the long-term benefits your body will receive. I hope this video helped you understand the importance of detoxing the body naturally and gave you some encouragement on simple changes you can make to minimize usage and exposure to toxins in the environment and how to rid them from your body. If you enjoyed today's video and found these tips helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can continue getting helpful tips to live free. If you'd like more information on how to transform your health and wellness journey, click the link below. Until next time, stay positive and thanks for watching.